working with hospitals and different institutes that deal with healthcare clients, it's important that their websites might come up for a voice search for a telephone number or an address or reviews. So when we are recommending voice search solutions to clients, more specifically in the healthcare space, we really want to make sure that their websites are on the code level, updated in a series of different ways. We want to make sure that they have something called schema within their code base. That code base stuff is something that is not seen by visitors to the website. No visitor really cares about that stuff. What it's seen by is search engines, even though it doesn't really have a huge impact on SEO. Basically, what that special data markup does for search engines, it allows them to organize and aggregate data well. It's basically code-based annotations. So what you want to put in there are things like phone number, address, etc. So if somebody is utilizing voice search and saying, what's the address of hospital so-and-so, the search engine robot knows, based on what you have in the code, what the address is, and can give that address back to somebody via voice search. That's one way that it's important for us to optimize for voice search. Now, for all of our clients as a whole, one thing that we've been doing on both the voice search side and also on the regular organic side is utilizing ranking at position 0. Those results are typically in the form of what we call answer boxes. Now, answer boxes have been really popular for a couple of years now, preceding this whole voice search boom that we're dealing with these days. Basically, it's that content when you type a question into Google that shows up at the very top, below search ads, if there are any, and above search engine results. And it gives you your answer to your question. And oftentimes you can get that answer in line without even visiting a website. We've been using that as an SEO tactic for regular organic desktop searches for a while now. And basically the way to do that is to find out what your audience is typing in, and what questions they have, and to answer them throughout, typically for our clients, blog posts. This tends to be really popular in the tech industry and in the healthcare industry. Why this is important for voice search is that most voice search queries are conversational. Most of them are in the form of a question if there is a query being asked via voice search. So one of the first places that Google looks to answer that question when it's being asked from a voice search query is within those position 0 results or those answer boxes. So it's kind of a twofer for our Emagine clients, where it helps them rank for their traditional modes of search engine traffic, like traditional Google used from a desktop, but it also helps them in a voice search world because they already have position 0 on desktop, typically already have position 0 on mobile as well. So those are the core areas that we're typically using specifically for Emagine clients when it comes to voice search optimization right now.